Alright, this is it. We are retiring, folks. We're going off to the retirement home.
We will never see y'all again.
Goodbye. This is Wilma.
Floyd, see you later.
Have a good life.
Sydney, what's happening? Did someone just
Broadcast? I don't know.
Federal authorities have issued a civil danger alert. The United States has made contact with known entities.
If you encounter these entities, pray to Lord God for mercy.
Earlier in this broadcast, this station aired what appeared to be a warning from federal authorities.
Don't believe them.
The warning was a hoax performed by an intruder to our broadcast system.
Don't believe
The
them.
Warrior News Broadcasting Channel apologizes for the mistake and any misunderstanding it caused our viewers.
They are the intruders.
The warning was real.